Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to this sacred and quiet space. Just to chill, to breathe, relax. Lisa, hi! So hopefully you've got a nice space just to chill for a little while we just breathe. The deep conscious breath. And as we breathe, we must remember to push that tummy out so that we know we're relaxing. And then if we just expand our consciousness and meet all together, wherever we are, being there for each other. Shrug those shoulders, get rid of the tensions. And just feel yourself just coming into relaxation as you're aware of your breath. Breathing in the beautiful air that is loaded with atoms of crystalline. New energies come to serve us if we allow. You can imagine when you're breathing these incoming crystalline atoms travelling through your body, bumping up against your cells, and in a delight your cells open up. Dancing together, however we may be feeling. Imagining these atoms going to every corner of your body, your toes and your fingertips, head. And definitely the heart. Feel them caressing your heart. Your heart opening up. Just feel. Imagining or visualizing your heart opening up like a lotus flower or rose. Feeling loved by you. You, the body, mind, spirit, when together in alignment, you are the loving force. That's just always there for you. But we seem to forget this when we're busy with our lives, doing. going, going, going. But just for a moment we're just being, feeling the love that we are, just there. The divine caress. So focusing on the heart. Feel it expanding, growing. Yeah, as big as the room you're in, the country, the earth. So there's just one gigantic heartbeat. This is you, your sovereign being. That for eons of time, we have done nothing but build walls around the heart. Through untruths, we've believed we had to survive, we had to follow others, we've had to do this and do that. Busy, busy. Protect ourselves. And these last few, probably the last couple of years, definitely the last couple of weeks, the energies from the cosmic sun that are now beaming down on us, they're breaking our walls down, breaking our heart open wide. Very similar to when we lose something, we lose a relationship, or we lose a job, or a material possession. We have no money. Our heart breaks. But it's good. You have to see the good in all this. Something better will come along. But now it's necessary for us all to break our hearts, to lose everything, and to allow these energies to bombard us. Literally, I think a couple of nights ago in bed, I just felt such a massive explosion. I gasped. But I knew it wasn't a heart attack or anything. It was my protection, my humanness being broken down. I was purging my body. So it makes us vulnerable. Very vulnerable. So we have to observe ourselves in action all the time. Observing our thoughts, behavior. Are we being kind to ourselves? Are we being kind to others? Are others being kind to us? Just being with ourselves, body, mind, spirit. Understanding what's happening. Humanity is evolving quantumly, It's not a physical thing. There is no proof, there is no explanation. But it's not as if we're evolving into the future, we're evolving back to our original place. As pure spirit, with an added difference. Our body, your body and mind, is coming along for a new adventure, and it's never been done before. Nobody knows how it's happening. Nobody's written those books. So it's up to each and every one of us just to be aware of this gigantic chance that we can leave duality and live a harmonious life. How does it happen? Quite naturally. You don't have to do anything but observe, be aware. Feel the joy, the love, the confidence. That is your natural state of being. And allow Spirit Divine to guide you. But we have to keep focusing on this, the joy, the love, no matter our circumstances, our human life. Whatever we're going through, we have to embrace it. Because what is happening in our human life, we're playing out the games, the fear, the lack that we've been taught to live, but it's all been built on an untruth. We've done that, we've got the t-shirt, now it's time to move on. So observing our circumstances, feeling our pain, being the pain, not allowing our thoughts to judge and doubt, but just to embrace and to remove the space between the observer and the experience or the observed. When there is no space and you become your circumstance, the fear, the pain, there is no problem. Only when the mind comes in, what's wrong with you? I'm not enough. So that's when we come to ourselves, quietly breathing, knowing everything is most perfect. And the more we focus on the harmony we are, our natural state of being, keeping our vibration high of our body, time will eventually catch up. We create what we sow. Everything, all our circumstances, we're responsible for creating it. But it's not a judgment, it's just part of duality, our experience. It's all okay. We learn. But what is it we want to experience? Harmony, love, joy, peace. And we have to hold this vision. Breathing backwards and forwards into your heart. Yourself to come back to your natural state of being. Embracing all your fears, doubt. Everything is most perfect. And one thing I do want to say, if you feel you are having a heart attack or not feeling good, you must go to the doctors, the hospital. Because maybe your heart or something else in your body needs a little help while we go through this. We can work together, not giving all our power. So, nice to share this time with you. I'm going to leave it there for today. I want to tell you, you are magnificent, beautiful, all-loving, all-powerful. And breathe into that heart of yours, because you will be going through a little rough patch at the moment. It's natural. Okay, take care. You are loved. Be the love, the I am presence.